Yes. Arc. An arc. How to draw an arc? Just press A, enter, right? Click 1 and take up the cursor, click 2 and third click opposite to click 1, click 1, click 2, click 3. First one click here, second one click here, and the third one click is must be opposite to first one, right? Okay. Arc. Just press down A, enter, click 1, click 2, click 3, like this, right? Erase this. Select like this, E, enter, right? Okay. Right. Grid off. G or I D, grid O F F, grid off, right? Next command, multi-line. I want to draw a multi-line. To draw the double lines at a time by giving requirement distance value in between the objects for gap. Now, how to draw the double lines at a time? The syntax is clearly I am showing. See here, just apply the command ML, enter, right? ML, enter, right? And next press S digit, enter. S mean scale, S, enter. Give any value, any requirement value for gap. Example 0.5, enter, right? And next click with your mouse from where you need to start the double lines. I need to draw here. Click and drag, right? Double line. There is no double line, one single line. I gave 0.5, but double line is not appearing. Why? Numlock key is not in on. Numlock key is, see here, numlock key is on off, right? Double line. ML, enter, scale, enter, give any requirement value. Example 0.5, enter. Click with your mouse from where you need to start the double lines. Here F8 ortho to be kept off, kept on always, right? Give requirement value for the line. Example 20 units, 20, double enter. Here. See, double line. Double line. I gave 0.5 value. The 0.5 is from here to here, distance value 0.5. I want to measure whether it has 0.5 or not. Apply dimensional command, doll, enter, click here, click here, see 0.5. okay, erase, right, that is double line. Next, pan command is used to agitating the drawings on the screen from one place to the another place, not moving permanently, only temporarily moving on the screen. The objects temporarily moving the objects from one place to another place, not permanently. As you see here, now I am drawing here one circle, right? I want to move this circle towards right side, temporarily, not moving permanently, temporarily. With pan commands, we made to agitate, we made to move, we made to slide this. The syntax is P, enter. Click on the object and move with mouse. See, like this, right? It's moved, and the pan command, pan is connected. How to come out from the pan? Press right key of the mouse, click on exit. See, you may to draw anything in this place. Example, rectangle, anything, whatever you need, you may to draw, right? I moved the circle towards here. That's not permanently moved, only temporarily. When applying zoom all command, the object, the first object circle in which place it was, will be placed in the same location. How? Apply zoom all command. Soon after applying zoom all command, the object, the circle object, will be placed in its original position or original location. See, apply zoom all command. Z, enter, A, enter. Zoom all, right? This is a circle. The circle clearly not appearing in an exact round shape, segment wise appearing, its aspect appearing like as segment wise, right? I want to make this circle into an exact round shape and prevents from unshaped. So how to make this circle into an exact round shape? Apply the region command. Region command is used to make circles into an exact round shape and prevents from unshape. The syntax is just to type as RE, enter. See, right, like this. Okay, erase, E, enter, A, ELL, double enter, erase all, right. Next command, option command. Option command is used to increase the selection point or decrease the selection point, and also useful to change the screen color, drawing area color, either into white color or black color, or green color, right? Any color whichever you need, whichever you want. By using option command, you may to increase or decrease the selection point, as well as applying requirement colors on the desktop, on the drawing area, right? Option command, just type as op, enter, op, enter. See, this point is smallest. I need to increase this here, like this. I need to increase, increased. Up, click on apply, click on OK. See, this selection point increased. Selection point is. Now I need to decrease. I need to make small aspect. I need to decrease its size. How to decrease? Enter into option command, op, enter, decrease, 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 apply, click on apply, click on OK. See this point, selection point decreased. Likewise, you may to increase or you may to decrease through by entering into option, right? If I want to change this black color into white, how to change? Apply option command, op, right? Click on display, right? Click on colors, select requirement colors here, example white or any color whichever you need. Assume that I need white, right? Click on apply and close, and click on OK. See, white changed like this, right? Right. Usually keep black color so as to prevent lighting, right? op, enter, click on display, click on color, select the requirement color, example black, click on apply and close. Subsequently click on OK, like this, right? Next command, copy command, copy command. See, line, I am drawing one line here, right? And here also I am drawing this line, horizontal line, 50 units, right? 50 units. This line 50 units. Dal, measure whether it have 50 or not. 50, right? 50 meter. This line I make to copy this line by giving this displacement value 10 meters. Assume that just 50 meters. Assume that just 50 meters. I need to copy this line by giving 10 meters distance value. I need to make copy these objects, right, by giving 10 meters distance value in between the objects. Likewise, I need to make copy this 5, right? How to make copy? This line I need to draw here by giving 10 meters distance value. Again, from object to object 10 meters must be given gap. How? Apply copy command. Apply copy command. Just to type CO, enter. CO, enter. CO, enter. Select the object which you want to make copy. This I need to make copy. Select like this. Drag towards left to right. Enter. Right? Click anywhere. Click anywhere. Drag the mouse. Leave it without click. Give displacement values 10, 20, enter. 30, enter. 40, enter. 50, enter. Right? Finally, give one enter command and enter key. Finally, additionally, give enter towards coming out from the current command. Right? This is measure from this point to this point. How many meters? Dal. I give 10 meters. Click. See 10. Measure anywhere. 10. Like this. By using copy command, you may to make copy by giving displacement values. The way is like this. Right? Okay. And go. Move command. Move. This objects, I need to move this object by giving, assume that 33 meters. I need to move this object 33 meters by giving 33 meters. I want to move this object. How to move? Apply move command. Enter. Select the objects like this. Enter. Click anywhere on the screen and drag. Leave the mouse without click. Give the displacement values. How many meters do you want to move? Assume that 35 meters. 35. Enter. See 35. And apply doll command whether it have moved exactly 35 meters or not. Doll. Click on the end point. Click on the end point. 35 meters. Exact. Like this move command. Okay. Erase. Right. Next. Hatch. Hatch command is used to obtain ready-made designs such as bricks, sand, mud, concrete, net, etc. etc. How to design? Assume that I want to show a bricks wall. First to draw the lines. Line L, enter. Drag 20 meters. Assume that 20 meters. 3 meters. 20 meters. C. Close. Right. In this place, I need to show bricks. How to design bricks? So, obtain the ready-made designs from hatch command. H, enter, H, enter. Click on this, select any one designs. See, any one designs here. Pattern, click here, select any one design, use a customer's name. Okay. Colors, if you want to apply color, right? Assume that if you need to design this, click on this object, click in the requirement place when you need to design, click, enter, right, design. It's the biggest design, size is big, decrease the size, then it appears clearly what is the design, what is its design. Decrease the size. How to decrease the size, how to modify? Apply hatch edit command. Apply hatch edit command. In hatch edit command, you may to increase or decrease the size value, or to change the design completely in the hatch edit command. The syntax is HE, enter. Click on the changeable design. This is the changeable design. Click, right? Click on swatch design here. If you want to change design, click on swatch design. If you need to select any other designs, select. See, designs are here. Whichever you need, select, right? If you don't want, close this chapter. I need to decrease this size value. I want to decrease size value, decrease, then it appears its shape, its design. How to decrease? Take here in scale column, here what is here appearing? 1, delete 1, right? Give very smallest value, 0.05, assume that 0.05. Click on OK. See, aspect clearly appeared, right? If you don't want this design, you may to change completely design by entering into hatch edit command. HE, enter. Click on the changeable design. This is changeable design. Click on swatch design. Select any one requirement design. Assume that I want this design. Where is this? I need this. This I want. Select. Click on OK. Here also click on OK. See, changed, right? Like this. Hatch. By using hatch edit commands, you may to modify the design as well as changing the complete design. Right. Right. This. Here also another one. Circle. I'm doing circle. Circle. I need to show a round glass. I want to design a glass in this circle. How to design a glass in this circle? Apply gradient command. Apply gradient command. Just to type 2 letters as GD. Enter. Select the glass here. See, I need this glass. Right, click in the requirement place where you need to show a glass. I need to show the glass here. Click, press escape key for a 3 times. Right, I want to keep this in storeroom. I want to keep this in storeroom. This and another one also. See, I am another rectangle. Here also I need to design a glass. GD. See this. Click. Right. Now here yellow, clearly yellow. Here blue. Right. I don't want this blue aspect. I want like this aspect. Here also I don't want this. I want this glass. I want to change this design into glass. I want to fix a glass here. I want to remove this and remove. It's no need to remove, no need to enter into a hatch command, no need to select it. No need, just apply match command. Apply match command. By using match command, you can be change this. You have to change easily. Match command, apply match command on this changeable design. Match command is used to change the design as well as colors. I want to change this design into glass. I need this type of glass. So apply match command. Just type 2 letters, only 2 letters, MA. Enter. Click on the requirement aspect which you want. I want this glass, so click here. Click on this object. Right. Next, click on the changeable design which you want to modify, which you want to change. I want to change this. Click. Changed. Right. Change. Here blue color. Here appearing blue color. I don't want blue. I want yellow. Here also click. Changed. Like this you had to do. Right. Press enter. Right. I want to keep these as objects in storeroom. I want to keep in the block. I want to keep these objects safely in the block, in the storeroom. How to keep these objects in the storeroom safely? So, open the schedule of block. First, open the schedule of block. How to open the schedule? Just type as B, enter. B, enter. Here type the name of the object which you want to keep in the storeroom. Type its related name here. Right. Horizontal glass. Assume that horizontal glass. H glass. GLASS glass. H glass. Right. What to do next? Click on select the object. Where is the select the object? Here. Click on select the object. Right. Next, what to do? Select the horizontal glass completely. Select the horizontal glass completely, like this. Completely. Enter. Do not forget. Don't forget to give enter key. Enter. Next, click on the pick point. Click on the pick point. Here pick point towards holding the glass. Click it. Click at edge of the glass. Here click, right. Click on OK. Okay, right, it has gone. This past is stored in the block. This item stored in the safe location. Now delete these objects. No need to keep on the drawing area. Delete. Round glass. Round glass. These aspects, these objects I need to store in the safe location. Open the schedule of block. How to open? Apply the B, right? Type the name of the object which you want to keep in the block. Now I am keeping the round glass in the safe location. Round glass or glass, 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 right? Click on select the object. Right. Select the object completely which you need to keep in the safe location, right, like this. Enter. Don't forget to give enter key. Enter. Click on pick point. Click on pick point towards holding the object. Click like this. Click on OK. Right, the object is gone. Object paused in the safe location. Right. Now no need to keep on the drawing area. Delete this object. Delete. Right. This object, this also I want to keep in the safe location. Open the schedule block. Vertical glass V, glass G, vertical glass. Right. Click on select the object. Select. Enter. Click on pick point. Is pick point. Click at edge of the object. Click on OK. Delete the object. Right. 3 objects are paused and stored in the safe location. Now I need to bring out the objects which I kept in the block. I want to bring out from the storeroom. How to bring out? Apply insert command. Apply insert command. Just type as I. Enter. Right. Select the object which you want to take out. Select here. Click. Select which one you need to take out. I want to take out horizontal glass, H glass. Click on OK. Keep wherever you need. I want to keep here. Right. Again I want the same glass. One more I need. Enter. Select. Already selected here. Click on OK. Click in the requirement place, and again I need one more. Press enter key. Click on OK. Right. Click. Right. You may to rotate its direction in insert command. You may to rotate its direction in insert schedule. How to rotate? Where I had to give angles, requirement angles. First open the insert. Schedule. I enter. Right. Horizontal glass. Here is 0. Delete the 0 angle. Apply 90 degrees. Click on OK. See the direction changed. vertical wise. Again I need one more. Open the schedule, delete the 0, apply 90, click on OK. See, right. How much you need, you need to take out many, right. I want round glass. Open the schedule, select the round glass. Where is the round glass? Here, round glass. Click on OK. Round glass. One more, enter, click on OK. How much you need? Enter into insert schedule and select the requirement object. Click on OK. Click in the requirement place where you need, like this. Right. Okay. Next. Okay. Yeah. Delete this. Right. I want to stretch this. I want to enhance. I want to increase the. I want to increase this like this. Horizontal wise. I want to increase its size. How to increase? How to increase? Apply stretch command. Apply stretch command. STRETCH. Stretch. Select the object like this. How I am selecting? Observe. Click, drag, come near the object and touch the object. Just touch the object. Click. Enter. Enter. Right. Click and drag the mouse towards your desirable directions, towards increasing the object, towards enhancing its value. Click and drag. Give the requirement value. Give the requirement value. What value? Assume that example 5. Enter. Not increased, not modified, not enhanced. Why? Because it is a blocked item. Blocked item cannot enhance, cannot modify. Once you kept in the safe location, once you kept in the block, the item cannot be modified. Will not be modified, will not be enhanced. In case of essentially need to enhance the object which I brought up, which I obtained from insert schedule, this is a block item. Essentially need to enhance its size. Horizontal wise I need to increase. In such cases, if there is essentially need, how to increase? Once you kept in the block, the object will never modify. In case of essentially need to modify, then apply block edit command. Then block edit command. Block edit command can change the object, can change the blocked object. Block edit command is possible to change the blocked items, whatever you need, either to change its color or its designs or its sizes, whatever you need. You need to do in block edit schedule. Apply block edit schedule on this changeable design. Be edit. The syntax is b edit. You edit. Select the object which you want to modify. Good. Yes. H glass. Yes. Click on OK. Yes. Right. I want to modify. I want to increase size towards up. I want to increase this value. I want to enhance this value. I want to increase like this. How to increase, how to enhance this value, how to make enlargement, like one way. So here apply stretch command. Here stretch command. Here only possible to do stretch. Apply. S T R E T C H, stretch. Select the object like this. Touch. Enter. Okay. Click and drag up like this. Right. If you want to click orally, click or click. Right. And increased. Right. This is delete. Right. GD. Click. Select the object. Okay. Click in the required place. Enter. Right. See. Increased. Press Ctrl S. Ctrl S. Here select the location, example E. Here glass. In file name, give your file name. File name any file name any name. Example glass. Glass. Click on save. Yeah. Right. Eventually click on close block editor. Here close. Click on save changes. Save the changes. This is right. See increased. See increased. In storeroom also the object increased. I enter. See where is H glass. H glass. This is H glass. Click on OK. See. See. Like this. Right? Increased. Right? Okay. The difference in between block and block edit. Block command is used to store in the safe location. Block edit command is used to modify the blocked item. Okay? Okay. Right. Delete. Right. Next. Next command. Okay. Line. Right. Add on this line with 15. Assume that 15 meters. Assume that 15 meters. Right. This line is stands on 0 degree. 0 degree, right? Angle 0. I want to rotate this line towards 30 degree. I want to rotate this line towards to 30 degree in 30-degree directions. How to rotate? How to rotate its direction? How to change? So apply the rotate command. Apply the rotate command on the line. Just RO, enter. Select the object, enter. Click on mid of the object here. Right. Type the angle in which direction. Type the present angle of this object. Type the present angle. Present angle is 0. So or enter 0, enter. Type the requirement angle. Requirement angle 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. Change it 30 degree. Measure this dial. $15 meters. Fine. Its angle is 30 degree. Right? How to find out its angle is on 30 degrees? Exactly how can you say that its angle is 30 degree? So towards finding its angle, apply the list commands. The value, its value will be find, and its angle also. You can measure its value, right? List command is used to find out its length value as well as its starting angle and ending angle. Towards finding its exact accuracy value and its angles, so apply the list command on this line. Just select the object, type as just 2 digits only, LI, enter. Let's see here, length 15 meters, angle 30. Like this we had to do. Okay.